Hi guys, thank you to reaching my channel, FDC4 Production. Hey, I just wanted to share something else, very exciting with you guys. My new toy. There it is. My Canon EOS 70D. Wow. This is a monster camera. Hey, I'm getting serious like many out there with their YouTube channel, so I'm building my, getting my arsenal ready to war, to do the best of the best, and to, provide you quality out there, guys. Right now, I'm not using it because, as you might be aware of, it's really complicated dealing with it. It's a lot of feature to learn. I'll take my time. I just don't want to go there with a camera, and shooting to the sky. I just want to, take my time, start to understand it better, start to get the features, which I actually bought it for 6 particular reasons, which I'm gonna share with you later on. But meantime, let me actually give you some close up to it, so you can actually see it. It comes with the lenses. That's the rechargeable battery that comes with it. Here's the box. Yeah, there it is. That's the type that I got. This is the little pack that comes with it. And I was checking it online too, as you can see. And, looking for more stuff to learn about. And my tripod. Yeah, that's the tripod that I bought. Right there. That's my Prima photo tripod. A very good one, which I have it right now here, as you can see. I'm telling you, I am getting ready for this. I'm trying to get my my stuff ready. Yeah, there it is. But the reason of the video is to share, to let you know, to my audience, that I'm actually collecting, my equipments. I'm trying to get in them so I can actually get ready to provide you quality. Right now I'm shooting this video with my iPhone, which I gotta tell you, I gotta give credit to the iPhones. iPhone 11 is the one that I have. I don't have the latest. This one throws a very good quality video. Can't complain about my iPhone. It's definitely really nice, and it's crystal clear, guys. Crystal clear. Can't complain about that. This is my rechargeable battery block. It came with the camera as well, and this is it, guys. So, I forgot to let you know that the reason why I got this camera were because, number one, it transfers images between cameras. This one has I'm having a Wi-Fi setup function, which is pretty cool. You can transfer images between this camera and other Canon cameras with built-in wireless LAN functions. How cool is that? You can connect the number two. You can connect it to the smartphone, and you can view, save images, or operate the camera from your smartphone. You can actually install the dedicated application EOS Remote on your smartphone to use these functions. That was another reason why I got this, because I can actually play with my iPhone and this camera and actually do transition back and forth, whichever I feel more comfortable with. These cameras are really heavy. It's a lot of bulky, depends on the place that I'm at. I can do a lot of stuff. I can actually have a very big job. I save the stories in there, can make the transition and upload it to my YouTube channel, just like you guys actually do out there. Also, I can print images using my Wi-Fi printer, which that's another thing I wanted to show you right here. That's my Wi-Fi printer right there. Yeah. You can connect this camera to the wireless LAN comparable printer, which I have, supporting the PictBridge wireless LAN to print images wirelessly, which is one of the cool features that this camera has. It's really cool. It's really, really, really nice. You can operate this camera. Another feature was, remotely using the EOS utility, the CD-ROOM. You can connect the camera and a computer wirelessly and operate your camera remotely using the provided software EOS utility, which I have the CD someplace around here, I think. Yeah, I have it in here, the CD, it's all there. So I gotta play with that and put in my computer. And the another thing that I like a lot, that was explained by this guy, I think, in the store, was that you can send images to the web service, to the World Wide Web. So you can upload your images, you can upload it, and to the Canon Image Gateway, which is an online photo service for Canon users, and free registration is required to share them with the families and friends, which is, hey, that's really cool. You cannot beat that, man. And number 6, you can view your images using a media player. You can display your images on the camera memory card on your TV set by using digital player media supporting the DLNA via a wireless LAN. DLNA, for those who doesn't know what it means, is a Digital Living Network Alliance, which is a really cool feature. You can actually learn a lot about that online. It's really nice. I love it. I love it. It's a very nice toy that I actually got to myself, and I'm gonna have a lot of fun to it. I just wanted to share this with you guys. It's really, really, really cool. I just wanted to show you here the box. It says something about 20.2 megapixels CMOS, the iOS, the frame per second. This is a monster. Yes, it's overkilling. I have my iPhone. I can actually still shooting my video with my iPhone, and and still doing fine. You can actually tell this video how it's coming out with my iPhone, right? Which is actually very nice. My iPhone, I cannot actually complain about it, but if you want to become a YouTuber nowadays, guys, let's be realistic. You gotta have your artillery. You have to have what is required in order to do these type of things. This monster, you can actually deal with Windows, the older versions too, Windows 8, 7, Vista. For those who use the Mac, you can use the version 10.6, 10.7, 10.8, which are the oldest ones. You can actually use the newest one too, which is also great. It's Wi-Fi certified. You can use HDMI for your TV. I'm telling you, I'm really happy that I got this. There's much more to add into this, and it's here for you guys too. I mean, I'm really happy. I just wanted to share with this. I'm not gonna make this a long video. I just wanted to show you what I have. That's my kid playing in there, and that's it. Until the next time, guys, and I'm coming with a lot of projects coming soon.